Alright, had another question about this Greenworks power washer and using the detergent bottle. So I'm all hitched up. I'll turn the water on first. Then I'll get the pump priming. And we'll turn the machine on after. I get it just a little wet. Alright, you're going to take your wand off. And I've got my soap already mixed. So you're going to attach that. And then, yeah, leave your power on and just pull the trigger. I may have to wait for that to build up a little more pressure. Not much pressure like that. But anyways, the question was, do I leave the power on the machine? Yes, you do. And I guess it just kind of wets it. And then when you get done, just take that off. Put your wand back on. And spray it off. So there you have it. It really doesn't have much pressure with the soap bottle on there. I guess it's just mostly as an applicator. So anyways, that's how to do it. All right, let's attach that on top and see how that works. It's about the same. A lot of leaking from here. They should supply you with another gasket maybe to, I don't really see where it works very well. You can see the bubbles coming up, but as far as I'm concerned, I would just skip that. I'd just use the wand and a bucket of soapy water myself. I think that would work a lot better. So there you go. Figured I'd try it on top, see if it made any difference, but like I said, I'd just use a bucket of water, soapy water, and a rag. It'll do a lot better job than that thing will. Thanks for watching again, guys. We'll see ya.